Hi, I'm Ray. Well, over the last week or two I've collected some of the yellow label flowers from supermarkets and nursery stores, but some of the plants I don't know what they are. So today we're going to have a quiz and I'm going to ask you what they are, and that'll be interesting because some of these look quite good, some of them look quite bad. So let's get on and see if we can answer some of these questions. So plant number one is this one. It's got some nice green leaves and some stems. Was £10, reduced to £3. Any ideas? Looking quite good. So that is number one. Number two is this one. Originally £4, down to £1. We've got two of these. This is number two. So these are grown with stems growing up. The leaves are quite big. And we've got a stem up the middle. No flowers. So what is number two? It looks quite interesting. Number two. So number three, this one was given to me and I don't know what it is. It's a nice little shrub of some sort, slightly pinkish in the middle. That looks quite interesting. One, two, and that's number three. So number four is a similar kind of plant, which is also given to me, which is very similar but more wider shape than this one. And this one's going slightly green, slightly diseased, but it'd be interesting to know what that one is. And that one's number four. Number five is this one. Was £4, down to £1, and it's still green. We don't know whether it's going to survive, but the leaves have all died off. There's a bit of new growth right at the top here, so maybe it might do something. So that's number five. So number six is this one. And we've got a tray of this. The slugs decided to eat the label, and these have got some flowers. We bought a tray. A couple of them are died, but it's looking quite nice. Nice little flower. And this one is number 6. Number 7 we've got is a climbing plant. It's looking a bit sad. I've just had it soaking in some water because it was bone dry. Giving it a bit of a drink. And that one's number 7. a climber of some sort. And then we've got these. So number 8 is this nice little shrub, which is growing quite nicely. Some red leaves and sending out some nice red stems. That looks really interesting. So this can be potted on. Looks really nice. So this one's number 9. Number 10 is this shrub. And it's looking really healthy. These were a clearance sale. Was £12, now £6.45. And they're looking really good. So a nice pot that can go into a border. That would be really good. So this one is number 10. And this one's number 9. So that is number 9. What do we think that one is? We've got 2 the same. Number 9. Number 10 is this one. And this looks quite interesting. Very compact. Slightly spiky. It's really nice. It's dying off a bit of the back here. Maybe it's a bit too wet. But that is looking really good. So what do you think this one is? Number 10. And then the last one, I don't even know if this is alive, but the snow likes it. This one's number 11. I think this one's pretty much end of its day, which is probably why the pack was reduced. So this one's number 11. Wonder whether any shoots will come from it or not. So there we go. What do you reckon? Do you recognise any of these plants? 1 to 11? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be really great. And we'll have a go at potting some of these up and see what we can do. See whether they can grow on. That'd be really good. So I'll go through again and let me show you what we can do. So just running through again. So number 1 is this one. Number 2 is this one in the cage with these leaves. Number 3, this little shrub. Number 4, this little shrub. Number 5, this brown shrub. Number 6, these budding plants. Number 7, the climber. Number 8, the shrub with the nice red branches and the red leaves. Number 9, this nice shrub. Number 10, this bushy, tight shrub. And then number 11, Well, it's a slug's home. So let me know in the comments. Do you recognise any of them? Let me know, and that would be great. Thanks for watching. Cheers.